I'm white, half black. It's not black.
Alright, I get it. You're not white, you're Haitian. Okay, anyway. So friends, it's the last day of school, for our, sophomore year. You got any last words to say before we leave?
They fucked up my grade.
What? What they do to your grade? Let me see. That's A. What are you talking about? Boy, you got all A's. You only got one B. So, look at that A, B, A, B, A. Boy, if I had your grades, I wouldn't be suspended from video games. But anyway, like I just said, you got any last words for school year?
Yes. I ain't got none.
Boy, you don't look good. Stop trying to wink at people.
I know that.
Nah, seriously, say something to the camera,
I'm good.
You suck. F you.
Stop playing Halo.
Boy, leave me alone.
You take a picture, right?
It's a video, not a picture.
When am I supposed to take a video?
I don't know. It's the last day of school.
I'm gonna miss you guys. Fuck Edison. I'm writing a book.
Want me to point it to you so you can say it to the camera? Well, they got you on audio, so.
I'm writing a book on how to be a vlogger.
Alright.
To make everybody else.
I'll mute you.
Keep on going.
I'll mute you. It's so easy. I have a program that can mute it, so.
Oh my god. I have another account.
Girl, all you gotta say is the last day of school. All you gotta say is something nice. No sex.
Baby, I never will.
Is it that hard to say one nice thing without sex being involved?
I like the color of your shirt. I'm so
You're so boring. Like, what the heck? Like,
it was nice, wasn't it?
yeah, no, but not about me. I mean, the last day of school, we're not gonna be sophomores no more. We're gonna be
You
juniors.
need to be more outgoing, like unbutton there.
Huh?
You need to be more outgoing.
I've always been outgoing. I just can't do it here in Edison. Trust me, outside of school, I'm something else.
Shut up. I'm trying to listen to music, y'all.
Trust me, I am.
You gonna knock it. Stop trying.
I don't like you. See, that's why I'm gonna miss her. That girl, like this in this direction.
You videotaping me? Girl, you not
Because she don't want to be in the camera. You suck.